Okay, let's quickly learn something on JavaScript arithmetic. So simple maths, and then inshallah after this we're going to have mini projects that to tax your brain on what we have been doing, especially on this arithmetic I want to take now. So there is something we call math random. So math random. So let's say let's n equal to. So it is this math random. The math must start with capital letter. Math dot random. Then you declare your parameter, and that is this. So having done this, then you can come, okay, let's use console this time around. So console dot log, then n. So console dot log n we want, you see match random is that it's going to be giving you some numbers between 0 and 1. You should just pick any number. Let's view it first. So let's go to our, I've opened my console. Okay, so you see the number it brings now, 0.001, and this and this. Can you see it now? So it's simple, all right, but the number is not going to go beyond 0 and 1. 0 point this, 0 point that. Okay, but if we want it to give us more valid number that is not 0 and 1, that is more than 1, we can use simple arithmetic to do that. So let's say let's declare another variable with another letter. Let's should we use m? Let m is equal to n. You know n is a random number, right? Times, this is our sign for multiplication, times, let's say 10. So if we choose 10 now, so it's going to be giving us number between 0 and 10. So now we want to view m. Let's quickly view this. So quickly watch, this is just 0 point something before, so now we can see 9 point something, 3 point something, 5 point anything. So it's, but now how do we run this number? We want a whole number. In case we want a whole integer, we don't want all these point. There is another way in which we can do that. So let's use another variable to learn that too. Let's which letter should I use? Let me use P. Equal to, what is this? Our m is now number between 0 and 10, so it has exceeded 1, right? So now we want to round it down, so we're going to be using something called math.round or math.floor or math.seal. What is the difference? Let's learn. Though you're not going to see the difference particularly now because we are not declaring the number, but in a nutshell, let me quickly explain. When you have math dot round, so you're going to round your number down to anything. So can you see returns a supplied numerical expression rounded to the nearest integer. So it's going to round it up to the nearest integer. But what if it is not round? If it is floor, so it's going to round it down. Floor, mat.floor. That is just the difference between round. Round, we do it normally. Round is like let's say we have 3.6. When you use round, it's going to take it to 4 automatically. But when you use 3.6 is going to take it to 4, but 3.4 is going to bring it to 3. But when you use mat.floor, 3.6 will still give you 3. It's not going to give you 4 because you are rounding it down. You are not rounding it up. So let's see what it said. Returns the greatest integer less than or equal to its numeric argument. So it returns the greatest integer less than. Are you getting it now? So 3.6 is not going to take it to 3.4. It's going to bring us the greatest one that is close to it, that is less than that, so which is 3. So that is mat.floor. What if it is mat.ceil? So this is going to round it up. Returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to its numeric argument. So in this case, 3 point whatever is going to give us 4. But in the case of floor, 3 point whatever is going to give us 3. But in the case of round, it's going to give us normal mathematics, rounding off, which anything below 0.5 is going to give us that number, and below above 0.5 is going to give us the number that is higher than that. So let's use any of them. So let's use round. Okay, so in this case now, I'm coming. Why is my P like this? Oh. Okay. Then I will be. We want to view P now. This P is giving me concern. Let's maybe P is one of JavaScript something. F round native code so things. Okay, let's use another letter. Let's say X. What am I doing? Oh, sorry. So mat.round, what do we want it to round down? We want it to round m, right? So we're going to put m inside our parameter. So I've been wondering what is happening. Don't mind me. So now we can change it back to P, I think. So that is what is happening. So now it's going to be giving us a whole number 810. So can you get the gist now? Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.